Hey everybody, welcome to Cades and Trading. This is my first video of 2025. It's January 2nd. It's Thursday and the market is unwell. I was hoping that there'd be something maybe worth taking a shot on today, but it's just about 4 p.m. I usually do these after 4 p.m., but the way it's looking, I don't see anything that looks promising. So I'm just gonna get through this video a little quickly today, see if anything looks like it's gonna be turning around anytime soon, but not good so far. I'm gonna skip over anything in red. Anything that's down today is not worth even taking a look at, honestly. So let's get down to the green stuff here. Let me sort that again. So TNA is slightly up, but it's very sideways. This is choppy, sloppy, ugly mess, stuck in a downtrend too, so absolutely avoid. WebL, also fairly new downtrend, so I wouldn't be touching that. FAZ, tons of volume today, starting to pick up. This is one I would want to see the 5-minute chart to see how it's been behaving. So it was ramping up earlier today, and then now it's pulling back. So good bullish sign here, but then all this falling is not bullish, so I'm gonna end with some sort of a doji situation, maybe a little bit near support. I would want something stronger than this, but I would have this on my radar as it does look like it's starting to pick up, but I wouldn't be buying here. It's TQQQ, same kind of thing as FAZ. Definitely looks like a doji. Kind of looks like it wants to close around this support and resistance area. What is that, around like 31.30 or so? Another one to keep on the radar, but not worth buying right now. TMF, this is just going sideways, avoid. TECS, all these kind of look the same, where they're kind of pulling down from their highs now, kind of at that mid-level of the bar. Doji, very much indecision, so avoid. SPXL, ton of volume today. Coming up, yet another one that I would say hold off on it for now, but keep an eye on it. It looks like maybe in the coming days it might come up some more, but hard to tell. This market's been really tough. Oil had a nice run. Now it's crazy volatile, so I would avoid that. FNGU, it's coming back up now. It was down a bunch today. Let's see what the 5-minute looks like. Yeah, so it's coming back up. Not ready to be bought yet, though. It's got a downward channel. SOXL, just sideways. Avoid that. SLV, nice little gap up, but still, this downtrend is still very much intact. I'd want to see this pink ribbon starting to turn upwards, and it's not, so avoid that. ERX I had my eye on. I liked the way this looked on December 31st, but I wasn't confident in buying it. Maybe I could have gotten a small gain out of it, but now it's turning into a doji here, so not worth it yet. Keep an eye on it. DRV, sideways mess. The whole market is just such a mess. LABU, down, doji, avoid. Yang, coming up a little bit. Let me look at it logarithmic. So a little easier to see when this is logarithmic right now, but just, it came down so much and it's been going sideways for so long that I don't think I would be taking a chance on this. ETHU, started out strong today. BITU did as well, and now it's another doji. Like everything's like a doji today. By the way, a doji, if you don't know, is basically where the bar closes, like kind of right in the middle of the bar, represents indecision. A doji is not something you want to be trading. BITU, not bad. Curling up. I would not be buying on this though, because we're still in the downtrend. It is curling up, but I want a follow through day. This is the first day where my indicator is saying it's turning upward. Volume ratio is only 0.71, so it's only about 3/4 of its normal volume, so it's not that high. Tomorrow, if this thing is up higher and it closes at a high level, then I'd be considering it, depending on if there's any resistance going on in that area. But as of right now, way too risky to try it here. MSOX, this is another one you gotta look at logarithmic, and not bad. So this is kind of one that it looks like it's following through today, but it is falling back. I'd want to see what the 5-minute looks like. Not terrible. It's another ETF that's so risky though. This is a really tough one to trade. I mean, if like I was super bored and willing to take big risks, then I would take a chance on this right now, but it's, you're playing with fire. It's just probably not worth it. And then GDXU switches back to a regular looking chart. Doesn't look much different from logarithmic. This has a nice uptrend today, or sorry, nice bullish bar today. Probably going to close right at the high, very close to it. Certainly bullish, but the downtrend is concerning. And again, this is one where it's like, okay, we have the turning upward signal. It's about average volume. I want one more day of follow through where the bar looks similar to this or closes in the top, say, quarter of the bar, something like that. As of right now, it's not ready yet. By the way, I took off all my single stock ETFs. I figured new year, let's change things up a little bit, simplify things. I hardly ever buy single stock ETFs, so it's not worth going through them. So I'm gonna be focused on these. What I have, 38? Yeah, 38 ETFs that I focus on the most. My favorite ones are these 16 here, so a little less than half of the main list. But again, there's just nothing doing right now. Better safe than sorry, better to be patient. Patience is key in this game, man. Like, you can't be trading every single day if you want to make money. So it's another boring day, sleepy day. Maybe this week will be quiet, and then starting next week when we have the first full week of the year, maybe things will start to pick up. Let's hope so. All right, man, happy trading. Good luck out there. Thank you guys. Till next time.